What's happening YouTube? Today you wouldn't believe what this phone can do. This is from Oukitel and this has a full Android projector up top. It also has a huge camping light on the back and the battery lasts up to 6 months. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, if you ever wish for a phone that lasts for weeks, doubles as a projector, and even powers your other devices, this might be just your dream phone. Meet the Oukitel WP100 Titan, a rugged smartphone with a massive 33,000 mAh battery, a built-in projector, and unmatched durability. Whether you're an outdoor explorer, a field worker, or just someone who wants a phone that doesn't die on you, this one is built different. Let's dive in. Now let's start with the battery because this thing is insane. The WP100 Titan packs a whopping 33,000 mAh battery, which means up to 2 weeks of normal use and staggering 6 months of standby time. That's longer than most power banks. Now for travelers, campers, and adventurers, this phone eliminates the low battery anxiety that we all know too well. But here's the best part. It supports 18-watt reverse charging. So if your earbuds, smartwatch, or even another phone dies, like your iPhone, the WP100 Titan can act as a mini power station to keep your devices running. Now this is where things gets really cool. The 100 lumen built-in projector turns any surface into a movie screen. Whether you're camping, having a backyard movie night, or just want to impress your friends, you can watch up to 6 movies on a single charge. No need for cables, no need for a power outlet, just pure outdoor entertainment. Imagine watching your favorite film under the stars while your friends are gathered around. That's next level adventure tech. Now, if you love night adventures, the WP100 Titan comes with a built-in 1200 lumen camping light with 1500 LED pieces. This thing is brighter than most headlamps and can light up an entire campsite or trail. Pretty dark in here, and we can use the light now. Boom. The light is bright, lights up the whole room here. As you can see here, pretty good. Again, let's turn it off and see the difference. Night and day. Whether you're setting up a tent, hiking in the dark, or dealing with a power outage, this light is strong enough to replace your flashlight. Now powering this beast is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor. And this isn't just any chip. It's twice as powerful as the previous versions, with 2.5 GHz octa-core speed for seamless multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven performance. Now gaming is a dream on this phone thanks to the 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display and the 120Hz refresh rate. Take that, Apple, that's more than what you can do on any of your phones. Combine that with the Hyper Engine gaming engine and the ARM Mali-6 G15 GPU, and you get a 20% boost in frame rates while 20% less energy. And let's not forget the 130 decibel loudspeaker. It's so loud you won't even need a Bluetooth speaker. Now, most rugged phones compromise on camera quality, but not this one. The WP100 Titan features a 200 megapixel main camera with a Sony IMX350 sensor, meaning your photos will have insane detail and sharpness. Want to capture close-ups? The 2 megapixel macro lens lets you zoom in on the tiniest details. And for selfies and video calls, the 32 megapixel front camera keeps you looking crisp. Now, rugged phones are built to survive, and the WP100 Titan takes it up a notch. Its military-grade durability can withstand drops, dust, water, and extreme temperatures. Whether you're in the mountains, construction sites, or traveling in rough conditions, this phone can handle it all. And even with all this power, the design remains ergonomic. It's 178.3 by 84.3 by 35.6 millimeter with a heavy metal aesthetics that looks and feels premium and rugged at the same time. Now, staying connected anywhere in the world is easy with a dual SIM support, and it's compatible with 3G, 4G, and 5G bands. Whether you're backpacking in the wild or traveling internationally, you'll always have a strong network coverage. It also runs on Android 14, which you get the latest features, security updates, and app optimizations for a smooth experience. So, should you buy the Oukitel WP100 Titan? Now, if you're an adventurer, camper, field worker, or someone who just needs a super reliable, long-lasting phone, this is the ultimate rugged smartphone. With an industry-leading battery, built-in projector, camping light, and 5G power, it's easily one of the most feature-packed phones on the market today. So right now, it's available up to 33% off. So if you want one, check out the link in the description below. It is an affiliate link as well, so go ahead and check that out. So it helps the channel a lot if you get it from there. That's it for this review. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and for more awesome tech content, hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments, would you use this phone for your adventures? See you in the next video. Peace.